Welcome back to the channel where we help you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the wild world of mirrorless cameras, comparing the beastly Canon EOS R6 Mark II and the budget-friendly Canon EOS R100. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The R6 Mark II is priced at $2,499, which many reviewers acknowledge as a good investment for serious photographers, especially for events like weddings. On the other hand, the R100 comes in at just $599, making it a favorite among beginners and casual shooters. Reviewers appreciate the R100 for being budget-friendly while still delivering excellent picture quality, perfect for family photos and casual outings. So unless you plan on shooting the next Hollywood blockbuster, you might want to consider which price tag fits your wallet better. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. Image quality. The R6 Mark II boasts a 24.2 effective megapixels full-frame sensor, praised by reviewers for its exceptional performance in low-light conditions and capturing emotions at weddings. It's like a vampire that thrives in the dark. Meanwhile, the R100 has a slightly lower 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, which is still fantastic but may not perform as well in low light. Reviewers note that while the R100 is excellent for family photos and a great introduction to serious photography, it may require better lighting conditions for the best results. It's like comparing a lion to a house cat. Both are great, but one is definitely going to steal your heart and your snacks. Next up is autofocus. The R6 Mark II features advanced head, face, and eye detection, which reviewers rave about as being fast and reliable, especially for capturing quick moments at events. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your shots. The R100's dual-pixel CMOS AF covers up to 143 zones, which still allows for solid autofocus performance. However, some users have reported issues with the autofocus reliability in the R100, making it less dependable for action shots. Just remember, don't let the R100's smaller autofocusing system fool you. It's still a great catch for the price. Now let's talk about continuous shooting. The R6 Mark II can shoot at a blistering 40 frames per second, praised by users for its ability to capture every perfect moment without missing a beat. Meanwhile, the R100 offers a respectable 6.5 frames per second, which is sufficient for casual photography but not ideal for fast action. Reviewers suggest that while the R100 gets the job done for family photos, the R6 is the go-to for capturing high-speed events or epic moments when your friend slips on a banana peel. And what about video? The R6 Mark II allows you to record up to 6 hours of full HD video without overheating, making it perfect for long events or family reunions, which reviewers love. The R100, while not as robust, is great for casual vlogging and family videos, but it won't win any awards for marathon recording. Users appreciate its ease of use for quick social media uploads, so if you're looking for something to document your TikTok dance challenges, the R100 is a solid choice. Overall, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II receives high praise for its superior performance, reliability, and impressive image quality, especially for serious photographers. Reviewers highlight its excellent autofocus and continuous shooting capabilities, ideal for capturing fast-paced moments. In contrast, the Canon EOS R100 is recommended as an excellent entry-level camera, perfect for beginners and casual photographers who appreciate good quality without the hefty price tag. While it has its drawbacks, many users enjoy its compact size and ease of use for everyday photography tasks. So there you have it, folks. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is like the luxury sports car of cameras, packed with features, but definitely not for the faint of wallet. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R100 is your reliable compact buddy that won't break the bank. So which one should you choose? If you're a serious photographer or videographer, go for the R6 Mark II. If you're just getting started or want something light and easy to carry, the R100 is your best bet. Remember to drop a comment below with your thoughts, like and subscribe for more epic comparisons, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a chance to buy smart. Until next time, keep shooting and keep smiling.